I get a question a lot about a chiropractor adjusting a baby. The adjustment is very gentle, most times used with the pinky. But we have to understand again, the body is under the control of the central nervous system. The central nervous system is what's set up to get the body perceiving everything around them to neurologically develop bodies and brains. And when the nervous system gets distracted, this could even be from birth or even before birth. The whole idea of mom being pregnant or having to use an outside force like an IVF or something that puts you into this fear mode, or at 35 years old now it's considered a geriatric pregnancy, so they put fear out there. That nervous system gets into a stuck physiology. Now I'm in survival. And the other side of that sympathetic fight physiology is the parasympathetic side. The parasympathetic side is the healing. That's the resting, digesting, neurologically developing side of the nervous system. And that has to be addressed in order for these kiddos to grow into health. One of the things we hear a lot, oh, he'll just grow out of that. They don't grow out. They grow in. Neurologic patterns. Try eating soup with the other hand. Try something dangerous, shaving your legs or your face with the other hand. Won't work so well. Neurologically, we have patterns. And when we have these patterns locked into survival, then we run into more diseases. So a neurologically focused pediatric chiropractor, very gently using your hands to open up the spinal nerves to allow connection, communication, clarity. When clarity comes in and the parasympathetic side comes back on action, back online, if you will, the body will start to grow. And it will unlock all the old patterns because that's the way we're designed. This is a 24/7, 365. Design never stops. And when the nervous system gets static, gets stuck, gets distorted, that's when we go down these paths to get all these labels and we think that that's it. We don't treat symptoms, we treat bodies and people and souls and spirits. And when those communication systems are open, you get your kid back.